National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, Porter County in northwestern Indiana, Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:33 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Ingalls Park to near Cedar Lake to near Shelby, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Schererville, Crown Point, Cedar Lake, Hebron, Dyer, St. John, and Lake Dalecarlia around 4:40 p.m. Highland, Griffith, Frankfurt Square, Lakes of the Four Seasons and Counts around 4:45 p.m. Tinley Park, Merrillville, Valparaiso, Oak Forest, Alsip, Palos Hills, Country Club Hills, Midlothian, Hickory Hills, and Palos Heights around 4:50 p.m. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northeastern Illinois and northwestern Indiana. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northeastern Illinois and northwestern Indiana.